Hi, I'm Darren Saravis, CEO of Nectar Product Development in Long Beach, California. And I'm here to answer some of the questions that you have.
How did you think of Nectar Product Development?
Well, my background is in industrial design and mechanical engineering. Early on, I had an interest in visual arts, in music, and math. And I kind of gravitated to product development because it combined all of those interests. One of my first commercial successes was a guitar effects pedal board that I invented when I was in my early 20s. And I used that income from that project to fund the product development company.
Why did you name the business Nectar?
The metaphor for me is that nectar is the fuel of life. And so that feels like a perfect metaphor because what we're providing is the seed for creativity, innovation.
How do you manage, design, and engineer teams that are so different?
Our core belief is that we need to represent the various disciplines to have a successful product. We need to line up the business needs with the use cases and with the available technology. So our approach is to bring all that together into one space. So we have a facility where we can design, build, and test, which means upfront the user experience designers can engage the industrial designers and the engineers in things like contextual research or figuring out if a technology or an approach fits the use case. So I think that's really something unique to us. We combine that with our experience in bringing our own products to the market. So when you take that multidisciplinary approach and combine it with that real-world experience, we have something that is really kind of a unique offering to companies because we live the products that we've developed.
After 25 years of business, how do you maintain an inspired company culture?
So in 2017, we're really not seeing a lot of boundaries between work life and personal life. We're all friends here, so we're all friends working together. I think that makes a huge difference. And we all here are passionate about making a difference in the world through design.
How do you ensure your organization and its activities are aligned with core values?
Our core values are really coming from the entire team. So my job and the management's job here is to make sure that the team's values are actualized. And that process, I think, builds a strong trust and a strong sense of purpose.
Nectar has a growing presence in the medical industry. Do you still work on projects from other industries?
We do. Most of our business in the last few years have been from the medical sectors and scientific sectors. We are working on some consumer products and consumer healthcare related products. So while we are focused in healthcare, we still are involved in the consumer space.
Describe your typical customer.
Our typical customer is either a company that's running, that wants to do a next gen, so really incremental changes to a product or figure out how to move a product into lateral markets. And the other type of projects that we work on are brand new products that haven't been thought of before. And typically that'll be from a startup company.
What kinds of projects are the best fit for Nectar?
So if you need to develop products that users love, and if your product has electronics in it, or it has challenging requirements, or it has a mechanism in it combined with electronics, software, and user interaction, that's a great fit for Nectar.
What does the future of Nectar look like to you?
I think that there's some pretty cool technologies that are just about to actualize. Things like virtual reality, rapid manufacturing are going to be a game changer. So I see Nectar completely embracing those technologies. And I also think that there's new ways to work together through crowdsourced approaches that are rapidly iterative. So we're very interested in staying in touch with new approaches and new technologies. Thank you very much for your time. And if you have any more questions, come talk to us at nectarpd.com.